Is Alan smiling at us? Oh, God. Maybe that's Mr. Rhymes with Dink. But anyway you shake it, that looks like a double top breakdown, eh? So that low is 212.36, and our low here, 210.42. So the double top's in. Check this out, right? This is such a cool example. When you get the market smiling within a smile. So there's the big smile, and then you get the little smile over here. Oh my goodness, that is such a bearish message. So, if we look at FinViz as sort of like, I always like to just look at sort of what you can see that they're even trying to put a bit of a bottom in the Dow. Interestingly enough, it's the small caps, I think, that are actually under the most pressure. You can see the screen. It looks like, and I actually noticed that Oracle got really punched out hard here today. I noticed last earnings season, Oracle got hit pretty hard. I'm seeing it again. I'm also seeing Allen. This is fascinating because Allen spat up a huge outside downside weekly key reversal signal, geez, about a month or two ago. And this signal is still working. I was shocked. There is the outside downside key reversal. And now with us going through this low, is Alan smiling at us? Oh, God. Is that maybe that's Mr. Rhymes with Dink. Maybe that's him smiling at us. But anyway you shake it, that looks like a double top breakdown, eh? So that low is 212.36, and our low here, 210.42. So the double top's in. And actually, I've told you guys this before, and if the good part about doing these videos, hopefully you just keep hearing the same message over and over and over. But check this out, right? This is such a cool example. When you get the market smiling within a smile. So there's the big smile, and then you get the little smile over here. Oh my goodness, that is such a bearish message. I don't know whether you're a fan of Alan or not. I mean, frankly speaking, I don't even think he really cares about Tesla anymore. Just like, I don't, ask him about PayPal these days. What's his opinion on that? I don't even think he even cares anymore about PayPal. But the point being that, man, doing some serious technical damage here on Alan today. I suppose my simple rule is, if this really is a bear, then what we want to see is we want to see bearish market structure below these trend lines. Having said that, one high, two highs, three highs. Ironically enough, we could even entertain the idea of bearish harmonic patterns. Doesn't look like we've gone beyond 66 here. So where's our bot setup? There it is. Yeah, it looks like it's perfectly valid. How ironic. This is total market darling. And everybody loves it. Fascinating. We had that outside downside key reversal, which sort of kicked off. Now I think you can actually start justifiably thinking, yep, look at that. Isn't that cool how the 25 level basically sets up off this M top, and one high, two highs, three highs. I think that bigger short trade idea is in play. Was that it's going to take us to zero? I don't know about that. Not quite sure about those numbers. I'd probably want to maybe change this to a log chart, which of course is going to skew everything, I should say. Actually, you know what? There's an easier way to do this. Let's go, and I think this is why a lot of people. So if we go that, and then we change this to fibs off log scale. So let's go back up here, and let's see what Alan's telling us he wants. So boobity boo, boobity shmoo. There's the awesome TRI weekly key reversal signal. Tell you, man, that's worth the subscription alone. Just this one trade could have easily paid for a year's subscription to this service. Anyway, and you're not going to find these key reversal signals anywhere else online. People just don't know about them. 299.12, 299.10, pretty close. All right, so let's put on here the butt levers. Boom. What does this tell us? This tells us that the 25 entry level was this M top. So if you did want to participate in the trade, you're going to have to wait for some sort of counter trend rally, underside kiss of that level, if it does even happen. Which, if anything, makes sense, right? Because I said for me to actually get an outright sell signal here, I need to actually start seeing some like bearish market structure on the other side of these trend lines. This thing might just puke right out now. But what's interesting is, holy crap, look how far down the stock objective is of this bot. All the way back down to $70 a share. Wow. Mark that one in your calendars, folks. That's an interesting chart. That's probably, tweet worthy.